So you've made the decision you want to use Google Analytics to gather data on your WordPress site. I'm assuming in this video that you've already created your GA4 property. I'm also assuming that you've watched my previous video where I walk you through the process of creating your Google Tag Manager container that you need to add to your WordPress site. So once that's all in place, then you can do the final step, which is creating that GA4 configuration tag that you need to have in place within your GTM account. So let's dive in. In order to set up your GA4 tag within Google Tag Manager, you're going to need your measurement ID from your Google Analytics account. So once you're logged in and then you go into admin, you should see the data streams tab. And once you're in there, you'll see your data stream for your website. And once you click on that, then you can copy your measurement ID and go into Google Tag Manager and create a new tag. And you can name it up here in the top left. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to use my GA4 config, GA4 config. And then you click on tag configuration. Over here on the right, you're going to want to select the Google Analytics GA4 configuration. And then you can paste your measurement ID. And then you need to set up triggering. The recommended trigger is this one here, initialization all pages, and then save. Next, you can click on preview in order to test your setup. So you can put in your URL and then connect. So this is a way of checking to see if that new tag is doing its job. So you can just click on different things and then go into your see here on the bottom right hand corner, it says that Tag Assistant is connected. And so once you go into here and click continue, then you can see the different things that you've clicked on here on the left. So you know everything is functioning and you're good to go. I do hope you found this video helpful. If you're struggling with anything, just leave a comment below. I'll see you there.